Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Kanisha. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. 50th death anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru observed at Congress House. NCP accused Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar of posting a mock photograph. Employees of 108 services give deadline of Saturday to resolve their issues. And two shops set on fire at Aguada Sikeri on Monday night. And now the news in detail. 50th death anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru was observed at Congress House on Tuesday. Congress leaders including GPC President John Fernandez and Leader of Opposition Pratap Singh Rane paid homage to Nehru at his moment. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panaji for RDX Goa.
Yesterday we had the swearing-in ceremony of the 15th Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. The democratic foundations that were laid by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru are the basic foundations and that need to be still strengthened. Elections and freedom of speech, all these are very dear to all of us citizens of India. However, we still need to strengthen the democratic fiber in this country. We need to be very tolerant of each other. A secular India that he believed in, we have to take it forward. And we as Indians, this is something that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru believed in. And as Indians, we should try to develop our country democratically with strengthening the principles that are enshrined in our constitution.
आज 50वी पुण्यस्थिती जाता पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. आम्ही नेहरूजीक आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया म्हणून आयल्या, सबंद देश म्हणून आयल्या. आम्ही पयलें आमच्या देशाक कितें जालें तें, आमची इकॉनॉमी, आमची पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम मिक्स इकॉनॉमी आसा. आमची प्रायवेट सेक्टर पब्लीक सेक्टर आसा. तशेंच डेमोक्रेसीक सिस्टम वी हॅव द वेस्टमिनिस्टर सिस्टम, फर्स्ट पास्ट द पोस्ट सिस्टम, असेंब्ली आनी आमचे लोकसभा इलेक्शन घेता आमी. आनी हाच्याच मदीं आमचे कडेन दुसरी सिस्टम आसा जे आमचे राज्यसभा, अपर हाउसेस, प्रेसिडेंट, वायस प्रेसिडेंट, प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो इवन आवर पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इज अ मिक्स सिस्टम. सो वन कैन सस्टेन द अदर. म्हणटकच ही फिलॉसॉफी आमकां नेहरूजीन जी दिल्ली, that has become a national heritage for us. And every political party, it may be BJP, it may be any other party which come into power in Delhi, they follow one foreign policy, and that is the Nehruvian policy. And that is the policy Nehruji has given not only to India but to the whole world.
The National Congress Party on Tuesday accused Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar of posting a mock photograph of him standing beside Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Rashtrapati Bhavan on this Facebook page demanded an apology for this act. NCP party calling the post a white lie, charged that the caption says, Swearing in ceremony with Narendra Modi at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The attire of Prime Minister in the photo and at the actual swearing in ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan exposes the lie, argued the party's spokesperson at a press conference, saying that it was a shame that a Goa cabinet minister went to search an extent of posting an old photograph and claimed that it was a photograph at Rashtrapati Bhavan at swearing in ceremony which was held on 26th May.
The top one is the swearing in of the Prime Minister. Is a photograph. Below is a post by the Tourism Minister to say that he is with the Prime Minister at Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is an old photograph. The attire of the Prime Minister exposes the lie of the post. And the person behind in this photograph was yesterday dancing at Azad Maidan. Now the question here is, a cabinet minister who has taken oath that he will stand by the constitution tells a white lie which engulfs the Prime Minister of our country. It is a very serious issue. It is an issue where the cabinet minister tells a lie to show his proximity to the Prime Minister. The very attire of the Prime Minister at Rashtrapati Bhavan exposes this lie. The question is, what was the motive of this minister? What message has he given throughout the world? And how he has got the Prime Minister involved in his lie and in his motives. This minister is well known to try to twist even judgments of the High Court that have gone against him. I see the dress code in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The post was 5:59 before he could go to the swearing. So did he come without that, all that, or he was worried? But apart from all that, let him say it's a genuine photograph. Here is a man who has taken oath that he will strictly adhere to the Constitution of India, which does not permit you to post a lie, a white lie that stands exposed. Is it not legal? Is it not misrepresenting? Here the question arises that it's a bogus post. A post that was posted at 17:59, even before the Prime Minister could take his oath.
Employees of 108 services are agitating since Monday. Agitated employees met Director of Health Department on Tuesday and tabled their grievances before him. The agitator have given a deadline till Saturday to resolve the issues, following to which they will ban 108 ambulances from neighbouring states from entering into Goa. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panaji for RDX Goa.
डायरेक्टर हेल्थ सर्विसेस मिस्टर दळवी हांची आमी आतां भेट घेतली कमिटीन आनी तांकां आमी सांगलें की आमी काल मॅनेजमेंटाक मेळ्ळे आनी मॅनेजमेंटान अशें सांगलां की गव्हर्मेंटान आनी ह्या ऑफिसान वर्करांचो पेमेंट हाडून दवरला म्हणून. ही वॉज सरप्रायज ऑर रादर ही वॉज प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी सरप्रायज. आमकां खबर ना, बट तेंच्यांनी सरप्रायज जालें की बाबा आमी केन्ना तांकां सांगू ना की पेमेंट हाडया म्हणून. नॉर जीबीके कडल्यान तांकां कसलेंच रेकमेंडेशन येवना की पेमेंट हाडुचो म्हणून. जर तशें आसा जाल्यार आमी अशें म्हणटा की ही जीबीके कंपनी आमचे कडेन फटिंगपणां करता, ऑर अदरवायज जीबीके आनी गव्हर्मेंट आमकां फुटबॉल केला आनी हेवटेच्यान तेवटेच्यान आमकां नाचयता. जर तशें आसा जाल्यार आमी आतां युनियनान निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा की फाल्यांच्यान जीबीकेच्या ऑफिसा भायर आमी धरणे दवरतले, स्लोगन्स दितले आनी जर शेनवार पर्यंत आमचो पेमेंट रिलीज जायना जाल्यार सोमारच्यान जीबीके एमआरआयचे जितले एम्बुलन्सीस गोंयांत चलता त्यो एम्बुलन्सी आमी बंद करतले. वर्कर्स वील गो ऑन स्ट्रायक. आतां हे फक्त पेमेंटाचो इश्यू ना, लोकांनी गैरसमज करून घेवचो न्ही. आमी फक्त पेमेंटाक लागून फाटले 6 म्हयने युनियन प्रयत्न करता की कंडिशन सर्वीस जे आसा ते सुदारचे म्हणून. अजूनपर्यंत सुदारिल्लें ना. 12 वरां ड्युटी आनी 8 वरांचो पेमेंट हे कंपनी आमकां दितात. हेजो अर्थ असो की प्रत्येक वर्कराचो 4 वरांचो पेमेंट ही कंपनी खाता. आमी कॅल्क्युलेशन केल्ल्या प्रमाणे प्रत्येक वर्कराचो 2 ते 2.5 लाखा वयर पेमेंट जो आसा तो मॅनेजमेंटान आतां पर्यंत खाल्लेलो आसा. सो हो सगळ्याचो रिकॉर्ड मॅनेजमेंटान दाखोवचो आनी ही सगळी फटिंगपणां जी आसा ती मॅनेजमेंटान बंद करची. तुमकां सांगपाक अशें दिसता की आतां कितलेशेच म्हयने जाले की 13 ॲम्ब्युलन्स ही ऑफ रोड आसा आनी ऑफ रोड आसपाचें कारण इतलेंच की मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन वर्कर्स ना. वर्कर्स ते घेवंक सोदना. कारण हेजें इतलेंच की वर्करांक आनी पेमेंट करचो पडटलो आनी तेंचें प्रॉफीट मार्जीन जें आसा तें कमी जातलें. ती स्वताक नॉन प्रॉफीट ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हणटात, बट ते हांगा फक्त प्रॉफीट करपाक येल्ले आसा, गव्हर्मेंटाक लुटपाक येल्ले आसा, गोंयकारांक लुटपाक येल्ले आसा आनी हे आतां लुटमार आमी चलपाक दिवपाना. आमची मागणी शेनवार पर्यंत जर मान्य जायना जाल्यार आमी आयज सोमारच्यान स्ट्रायकार वतले अशें आमी जाहीर करता. धन्यवाद.
दलवीन कितें एश्युरन्स दिलें तुमकां?
दळवीन आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला की आपूण हायर ऑथॉरिटी कडेन पावयतलो. कारण ते सरप्रायज जाल्ले की आमी केन्नाच कोणाचो पेमेंट हाडिनासतना जर तेंच्या पर्यंत पावता की तेंचें नांव घेतलें वता म्हणून, जाल्यार ही वील लूक इनटू द मॅटर अशें दळवीन म्हटलेलें आसा. आमकां अशी आशा आसा की दळवी बाब जे आसा ते गव्हर्मेंटा पर्यंत पावयतले आनी GBK MRA जर खरीच फटिंगपणां करता जाल्यार GBK MRAचेर सरकारी कारवाई करतले अशें आमकां दिसता. आमची एक प्रमुख मागणी अशी आसा की GBK MRA जी ही ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा तेका गोंयच्यान आमी धांवणयतले आनी गोंयांक गोंयची लुटमार जी आसा हे कंपनी कडल्यान ती बंद करतले.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Baywatch Resort. Discover Goa and more with the people who know Goa. Senabati Beach Road, Kolwa, Sunset, Goa.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637164777, 09822137923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतियाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. 2 shops were set on fire at Akwada Sikeri on Monday night. The reason for such an act is still not known. According to sources, similar incident had occurred a month ago. A total loss of 2 to 3 lakhs has been estimated. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Sikeri for RDX Goa.
लायट हावजान आमची शॉपान तांकां राती कोणी उजो घातलो. तो कोणी घातलो तो आमकां कांय खबर ना.
तुम्ही किती पोलीस कंप्लेन?
हय, पुलीस कंप्लेन केला. राती पुलीसूय हाडले, फायर ब्रिगेडूय हाडलेली.
म्हणजे अशें कित्याक घातलो?
आतां आमकां कांयच खबर ना कित्याक घातले. कुल्लीस मान काय कितें तें
कितले गाड्यांक घातल्या
आता पहिले 2 गाड्यांक घातलेले
24 तारखेर अब्रेलाचे 2 गाड्या
2 गाड्या
हे त्याच टायमार त्याच दिसा घातला
हे आता म्हयन्यान हे
24
झाले
तारखेर पत्तो घातला
आदल्या दिसा 2 गाडे ओळपायलेले मागीर ते केले त्याच डेट धरून आयज काल पर 2 गाडे ओळपायले ते फायर ब्रिगेडीन येयले तेंचो पेट्रोलिंग करता पळय तेणेनूच तांकां फायर ब्रिगेडीक फोन मारून आपयले तेंच्यांनी तो उजो बिजो सगळो पावलेलो आमकां कांय खबर ना केन्ना कितें जालें तें मागीर आमी पावले मागीर आमी पुलीस स्टेशनान बी हें केलें कंप्लेन केली
पळय अब्रेलाचे 26 तारखेर पयलो 2 गाड्यांक उजो लायलो आनी दीस एका म्हयन्यान पत्तो आनीक 2 गाड्यांक उजो लायलो आनी ह्या गाड्याच्या धंद्याचेर आमी आमचें पोट भरता आमच्या लागीं आनीक धंदो कांयच ना आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या बाळाचें पोट आमी हितून भरता आनी ट्युरिस्टांकूय आमी दादोशी करता हांगासर आनी हे आमचे कोणे येवन हांगासर उजो घालून सगळें तो मोठ करून उडयला आमचो सगळो वेपार सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक सगळें उलपान उडयला कितें दवरूंक
आमकां लुकसाण जाला
सिंकेरींग फोर्टाक वता लायट हावसा कडेन आमची शॉपां आहा आनी आमच्या लागीं लायसन्स आहा आनी बेश्टी ना हांगासर पंचायतीचें लायसन्स आहा आमच्या लागीं
A meeting of officers of Disaster Management Cell headed by Porvorim MLA Rohan Kaunte was called on Tuesday to discuss and resolve the issues arising during monsoon. According to Porvorim MLA, issues like water shortage and interrupted power supplies faced during monsoon. However, the meeting was called to tackle such problems before the monsoon starts. Sanjay Monoli reports from Porvorim for RDX Goa.
आज पर्वरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खातीर आमी प्री मॉन्सून मिटींग मागिल्ली कॉलिंग ऑल द कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स आमकां पर्वरी इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स वी हॅव बीन हॅविंग ट्रिमेंडस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वॉटर सप्लाय वी हॅविंग ट्रिमेंडस शटडाउन्स फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आनी लायटीचे आनी उदकाचे चड प्रॉब्लेम जाताले तशेंच आमकां रस्त्या कडेन जे रस्ते फुटल्या टेम्पररी मेजर्स ऑफ पॉटहोलिंग बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट्स लायक फॉरेस्ट फायर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट एंड अदर कन्सर्न ऑफिशल्सांक आज आपयल्ले आशिल्ले वी हॅड आस्क्ड द डेप्युटी कलेक्टर टू कन्वे दीस मिटींग कित्याक एवरी रेजिडेंट ऑफ पर्वरी इज फेसिंग द ब्रंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आनी वॉटर टुडे आनी हे इश्यूज परत डिपार्टमेंटाक रिव्यू जरी घेतले वी वर नॉट गेटिंग द रिप्लायज सो हे फुडें इश्यूज जावचे न्ही आनी हाजेर ताबडतोब गव्हर्मेंटान हाजेर एक्शन घेवचें हाच्या खातीर आमी आज मिटींग मागिल्ली वी हॅव ऑल्सो आस्क्ड द डेप्युटी कलेक्टर टू फॉर्म अ नंबर ओवर हियर एज फार एज डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट इज कन्सर्न सो कितेंय खंयची दुर्घटना समज जाली जाल्यार त्या नंबरा वयल्यान इमिजिएटली द कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट कॅन बी कम्युनिकेटेड टू आनी आमच्या रेजिडेंट्सांक जे त्रास जाता ते इमिजिएटली सॉल्व जावपा खातीर आयच्या मिटिंगेन आमी मेनली हायलायट केल्ले आसा ते उदकाचे प्रॉब्लेम्स पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली उदकाचे आमी जेन्ना मागल्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान जेन्ना लेटर धाडिल्लें तांकां येवपाक आज तांचो कोण तरी सुपरवायझर काय कोण आयला JEE कोणूच दिश्टी पडलें ना हांगा ते सिरियसनेस ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट कॅन बी सीन आय थिंक आय विल बी टेकिंग दीस इश्यू व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली विथ द कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर कित्याक उदकाचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आमकां जे मेजर जाल्या पायपलायन्स फुटपाक लागल्या डिपार्टमेंट इज नॉट बीन एबल टू 15 दीस एक वाड्याचेर उदक ना थंय डिपार्टमेंट इज नॉट एबल टू सेंड देयर टीम्स दीस इज अ मॅटर ऑफ कन्सर्न दीस इज द माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट सो एक ती दुसरी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट जंय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑल्सो हॅज सायटेड देयर शॉर्टफॉल्स अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ व्हेकल्स ऑर लायनमॅन जे ताच्या खातीर आमकां लायटीचे हांगा प्रॉब्लेम जावंक लागल्या ते इश्यूज आमी मंत्र्या कडेन घेवन CMा कडेन उलोवन वी आर ट्रायंग टू सी दॅट दीस इयर एज फार एज पर्वरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज कन्सर्न मॉन्सुना वेळार आमकां चड प्रॉब्लेम न जावचे म्हणून
A thick layer of oil sludge was washed ashore at Kariwada Wade and Japanese Garden beaches on Tuesday. The fishermen said that they could not cast their nets to catch the fish as the shores were full of oil sludge. They said if they had to cast their nets, the oil sludge would have got mixed with the catch while pulling the nets towards the shore. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco for RDX Goa.
Not move as of on my personal thing. I cannot do anything. Only thing I would like to say that the concerned authorities, the pollution board and all the others who are responsible for this should take note of this, because it is not only we the locals who are affected, it is all everybody all over Goa, like nuste khata or even otherwise the breathing problem, they are facing all sorts of problem because of this. So I would request the concerned authorities to whatever measures required, take the measures and sort out the problem.
वायल हे पळय रातीसून इस्टाटा वयर पडपाक इतकी दाट जावन गुळे जावन पडटात पांय दवरपाक जागो ना आनी फिशरमॅन वयता थोडे तांकां नुस्तें हाडपाक देंवोवपाक खूब त्रास जाता आनी आजकाल पोटा खातीर काम करूंक वयता नुस्तें धरूंक वयता ते खूब प्रॉब्लम जाता आनी हे सर भुरग्यांचे हॉलिडे आहा ते न्हांवूंक येता तांकां न्हांवूंक गावना हेजेर कितें गोवोरमेंटान म्युन्सिपाल्टीन जो एमपीडीन कितें एक्शन घेवन हे सगळें क्लीन करचें आनी बीच आमचे क्लीन करून दिवचें. आख्खे दर्यांतले नुस्तें सगळें पिड्ड्यार जावन वयतलें, नुस्तें खावंक गावचें ना. आतां थोड्या दिसांनी दर्या फिशींग बंद जातलें, बोटी बिटी बंद जातले, लोक नुस्तें कितें खातले. हे आतां वयली बसीन तर येयली, नुस्तें सगळें मरण वयतलें, लोक खातले कितें नुस्तें.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
चांदण्यात फिरताना माझा
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अंगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षणरंगले मन दंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर पदवरी गोवा येथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
Goa is a paradise, and in this peaceful and lovely location, you have one more heaven, and it's Amonkar's Boutique Hotel in the world-famous picturesque location Miramar. May it be stay, business, family, parties, or leisure. Amonkar's is equipped with the best for your comfort. Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, rooms, restaurant, and lounge.
Welcome back. Mormugaon Municipal Council Chairperson Tara Kerkar and Vice Chairman Saifullah Khan are voted out of office in a non-confidence motion on Monday. Presiding Officer Margaon Deputy Collector Umakant Korkankar, while conducting the proceedings, read the resolution moved by 11 councillors, alleging that Kerkar and Khan are involved in illegalities and as such have lost the confidence of the other 11 councillors. Surprisingly, none of the councillors spoke against the non-confidence motion. However, while speaking against the motion, Kerkar stated that to level such charges, she didn't even get a chance to conduct any council meeting. I was in the chair only for a few days and except for singing salary vouchers. No business transaction took place as I did not conduct any council meeting, said Kerkar.
इथून पळोवपाक वचत जाल्यार ज्या लोकांनी म्हाजेर अविश्वास ठराव हाडला त्यांच्यानी एक शब्द सुद्धा हांवें इल्लिगल कितें केलां हें सांगून दाखोवन दिवंक ना. हितूनच कळोन येता की हे पूर्ण राजकारण आसा अशें. वयल्यान म्हाका खुशी आसा की म्हाजेर खरें म्हणून जाल्यार जेन्ना हांव बसलें म्हाका दिसलें की म्हाजेर वास्को सिटीची व्हडली जबाबदारी आसा आनी ही जबाबदारी ह्या लोकांनी म्हाज्या हातीनसून काडून घेतली. ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता की हेंकां हें काम जें काम हांवें करपाक घातलेलें तें ह्या लोकांक नाका. वास्को कितेंच बरें जाल्लें ह्या लोकांक नाका म्हणून. जेन्ना जुजे फिलीप डिसोजा हांगासर MLA आसलेलो तेन्ना आमचे स्टाफ इंजिनियर तो व्हरोन बसयतालो म्हणून हो कार्लोस आल्मेदा जो BJPचो MLA आसा तो बोवाळ मारतालो की म्युन्सिपाल्टीन कांयच जायना म्हणून. म्हाज्या सारकी एक चेअरपर्सन जाल्ले जे धडधडपी काम करपी अशा बायलेक एक 13 दिसां भितर उतरपी एका कार्लोस आल्मेदा कितें सांगूंक सोदता की तेन्ना तो काम करिना असो म्हणटालो आनी आतां आज तूं MLA तुका वास्कोचे सिटीचे कांयच बरेपण नाका हें तुवें तेणें प्रत्यक्षान दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा. म्हाका दुख्ख ना हांव चेरा वचून देंवलें म्हणून दुख्ख ना. म्हजें काम लोकांक लागून आसतलें आनी सगळ्या कॉन्सुलरा वांगडा रावतलें आनी लोक जो निर्णय म्हाज्या फुड्यान हाडटले ते हांव खंय तरी मांडपाचें आसा तें हांव मांडटलेंच. तेजेर जायते केशी आसा, लोकांचे पयशे बिशे घेतल्या अशें म्हणून तेजेर केशी आहा मंदा शिरोडकराचेर. आनी ह्या केशीक ताका गव्हर्मेंट तेंचो आसल्या कारणान BJPचो गव्हर्मेंट आसल्या कारणान ताका दबाव घातला आसतले तुजे केशी आमी भायर काडटले, तुका आमी अशें हें करतले तशें काबार करतले अशें म्हणून त्या दबावा खाली ते गेला आसतले.
आमची जी इलिगलिटी आमी करतात म्हणून अशें तेमी निमित काडलें. बाकीचे आमचे 11 कावन्सिलरांनी हांव तेंचे लागीं तेंच मागलें तेंचे सगळ्याचे आमचे प्रिजायडींग ऑफिसर आनी आमचो जे MLA आनी बाकी कावन्सिलर आमी कितें इलिगलिटी केला तें आमकां प्रूफ करून दाखोवचें आशिल्लें. आज तेमी कांय उलोवना पूण अशें जावन बेश्टें हांवें तेंच तेंचे फुडें सांगलें की बाबा तुमी अशी बेश्टी निमतां काडून हें करप न्हू. आतां पयलीं अशें नासलेलें. जेन्ना आतां म्हाका अशें दिसपाक लागलें जेन्ना अशें MP इलेक्शन जालो तेन्नासान अशें तें चिंतता अशें म्हाका एक फील जाली की एक BJP आनी काँग्रेस अशें चिंतून ते हें केलें.
In the aftermath of a spontaneous public protest, Goa police have assured that an impartial investigation will be conducted into a Facebook comment by marine engineer Devu Chodankar, wherein he had expressed apprehensions about Narendra Modi becoming Prime Minister. Director General of Police T.N. Mohan assured a 10-member delegation, including independent legislator Vijay Sardesai, NCP President Nilkant Halankar, AAP leaders Valmiki Naik and Swati Kerkar, which met him on Monday morning, that a fair probe will be conducted to allay their fears.
We have voiced the concern of the entire state of Goa against what we feel that the police have gone overboard to book Devu Chodankar and seek his custodial interrogation. We feel that even the DG and the DIG to some extent agreed with us that the IO was trying to be a little more holier than thou.
Went overboard.
He has gone overboard. अशें ताकाय दिसता कित्याक इतले फुडें वचपाची गरज नाशिल्ली. आमी ताका इन्स्टन्सीस अश्यो दिल्ल्यो आहा की जर्नलिस्टानूच कंप्लेन केल्ली आहा सायबर क्रायमा कडेन. ज्यो केसी आज मेरेन तश्योच आहा ताचेर कांयच एक्शन जावंक ना. सो सिलेक्टिवली he has been targeted only because his comment was against Narendra Modi. So we have told the police that try to remove the stigma that comes with this action on Narendra Modi, more because he is about to swear himself in. So before he swears himself in, let us finish this controversy, which is what we have told them. In this direction further things will take place. But basically what we were trying to say is, without his statement being taken, why would the IO want custodial interrogation of him? Why did he jump to this conclusion of wanting a custodial interrogation? That is one. Secondly, we have taken strong exception to the statement by Pramod Sawant that some people who are espousing the cause of Devu Chodankar must have written his Facebook account. This type of an allegation made is unfounded, and when he makes this allegation, we have said that the police should show the same anxiety that they have shown otherwise and book him also, because he is trying to make a charge that Amit has a Facebook account barela, because we are espousing his case. So demand 100% taka adun bidar ye kar munun. And we have said that if the police go too much ahead with this, that we will file series of cases on BJP people and check their IP addresses. We have been the target of hate mails and all these Facebook attacks continuously. Fort Salchina म्हणून एक आहा ती फोटीच मारता हाजेर आहा फेसबुकाचेर. ताजेर पुलीस कितें करतात? ते चीफ मिनिस्टरांतल्या घरांतल्यान जावंक शकता म्हणून डावट आहा लोकांक. So ascertain it.
The Salcid Zone veterans, led by Fisheries Minister Avertano Futardo and Velim MLA Benjamin Silva, lifted the first Battle of Veterans Giants Trophy, which was organized by Twinkling Stars Sports Club of Vasco da Gama in memory of late Caetano Eduardo at Tilak Stadium in Vasco on Saturday. The prizes to the winners and runners-up team were given at the hands of the chairman and managing director of Goa Shipyard Limited, S. Mittal, in presence of Fisheries Minister Avertano Futardo, William MLA Benjamin Silva, Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo, Vasco MLA and the president of Twinkling Star Sports Club of Vasco da Gama, Carlos Almeida. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco for RDX Goa.
As a veterans tournament घडून हाडला in the memory of late Kaitan Durat. आणि आमी तो Kaitan Durat एक बरो मनीस, एक बरो ऑर्गनायझर. तो पयलो फुटबॉल टोर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज करतालो, marathon and even other sports. So in his memory, as he had produced good players like Derek Pereira, Lawrence Gomes, all these players have played for the Twinkling Sports Club. And we hope that we will organize All India Veterans Tournament
We played against Vasco. The first game we lost of this tournament and now Jared Tom is playing. So आमचो कालूसबा बशेस खूप बरे tournament करता. He's very active. He's very dynamic and hope more such tournaments come and it's a good thing for veterans because we revive old playing and it's a good lesson also for the youngsters.
Absolutely right. After the hectic work we have done for the election, this was really a refreshing match for us. Such tournaments gets all the veterans players together. And meeting everybody is a real joy because in our SA years, these players were stars and they brought laurel to Goa. So this is a very good gesture which they have done, getting all the players together. I really congratulate them for their hard efforts. The veterans have really played a very good match today.
Veterans above 45 caliber this match. The भुरग्यांक मागीर जाणटे पळय आसा veterans चड एज प्लेयर तांकां कोप अप करपा जायना. बट इनिशिएटीव बरो घेतला आनी हेजे मुखार जायत veterans जावपा जाय.
Receive your trophies. May I call upon Glenn Pickler to give the prizes. Pascual Pereira, Paulo Almeida, Eurico Mas, Ramanan Sakwalkar, international player. The Sunset team. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Before we wind up, here's the quick recap of the headlines. 50th death anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru observed at Congress House. NCP accused Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar of posting a mock photograph. Employees of 108 services give deadline of Saturday to resolve their issues. And 2 shops set on fire at Aguada Sikeri on Monday night. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.